Hello everyone, you're welcome to Monday 1 Maths class. Today we have a problem to solve. The problem is solve 7 plus 3x over 2 is equals to 5x over 3. Now before I go further, I want to introduce myself. I'm Omar Dagon, Eboteme Monday. I've been teaching mathematics for past 12 years in high school. It was due to my passion for mathematics I started this online class. So if you have any problem, please feel free to contact us through our social media handles. Check the comment section below. Now let's dive into the question. The question is solve 7 plus 3x over 2 equals to 5x over 3. There are two ways you can do this. First one is you can find the LCM of 2 and 3, then you multiply all the terms to clear out the fraction. But the simple one is you can go ahead, the second one is you can go ahead to cross multiply. So if you cross multiply this with this, so 3 open bracket 7 plus 3x equals to, then 5x times 2, you have what? 10x. So the next thing to do now, we're going to open up the brackets. If you open up the brackets, say 3 times 7 is what? 21 plus 3 times 3x, we have what? 3x, 9x. Then we now have this one become 10x. So we collect like terms. So if we collect like terms, normally if a positive cross equal sign become 9 minus. So this one become 21 is equals to 10x minus what? 9x. So we can reverse it. You can also write it as 10x minus 9x is equals to what? 21. So 10x minus 9x definitely will give us what? 21. So that become our answer. So until we see in my next class, bye bye.